In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend video length in Canva. If you've ever had a clip end too soon or needed a visual to stay on screen longer so it matches your voiceover or text, Canva gives you a few simple ways to fix that. The key is knowing when to extend a static element, when to slow down a video, and when to duplicate a clip to create a longer sequence. I'll walk you through each method clearly so you can choose the one that fits your project. First, open your Canva video project and make sure you're working in timeline view. From the Canva home screen, go to your recent projects or open the project section from the left sidebar. Then select the video you want to edit. Once the project loads, check the bottom of the editor and confirm that the timeline is visible and expanded. This is where you'll control the length of each page, image, or video clip. Now, if the item you want to extend is a static image, title screen, text page, or graphic element, this is the easiest adjustment. Find that item in the timeline and move your cursor to the left or right edge of its clip. When the cursor changes to a resize or trim icon, click and drag outward to make it longer. This increases how long that page or visual stays on screen. It's a quick fix for things like intro cards, background graphics, or text slides that disappear too early. If you're working with actual video footage, the process is a little different. A video clip has a fixed original length, so you usually can't just drag it beyond its natural endpoint. Instead, click on the video clip to select it, then look for the playback controls near the top of the editor. Open the playback settings and find the video speed option. By lowering the speed below normal, you slow the footage down, which makes the clip last longer on the timeline. This works best when you want a smoother extension without cutting away too quickly. If you want to keep the original playback speed but still need more total duration, use duplication. Go to the timeline, right-click the clip you want to extend, and choose the option to duplicate the page. Canva will place a copy next to the original, which instantly increases the overall runtime. This is especially useful for background footage, ambient visuals, or simple looping scenes. Before exporting, play the video from the beginning and watch it all the way through. Make sure your text, visuals, and timing now line up properly. When everything looks good, click share, then download, choose MP4 video, set the quality the way you want, and download your finished file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.